Hey guys, this is Chase from McLaughlin's RV Marine. Currently staying in front of our Sylvan 820 LZ. Fuel general specs on this pontoon coming in at 20 feet, 10 inches, a beam of 96 inches. We are gonna have a fuel tank of 21 gallons and a person capacity of 10 persons. Let's hop inside. We can do a full walkthrough video on this pontoon. Hey guys, inside the 820 LZ right now, really great pontoon up here in the front. We are gonna have their split bench design, seating for comfortably 4 people, storage underneath all of the benches on their 3-hinge system. So that's up, over, and down, keeps them from popping up on the lake. So lots of storage up here. You are gonna have recessed cup holders on both sides as well as your speakers underneath both of the benches. As you come back, you will notice, really great storage underneath the helm. I like saying, hey, buy 2 packs of those life jackets, those orange life jackets, throw them under, forget about them. But you can use that for whatever you want. As we come back, like I said, we are gonna have the co-captain's design, a really great setup for you and your spouse when you go out alone. Or when you host, you can talk to both sides of the party. Looking at the helm, we got your speedo, your tachometer, your Jensen radio. Nice spot to mount a depth finder up here. Then all of your analog switches. Making our way towards the back, we are gonna have, again, split bench seating. It is gonna come with a table. Storage underneath all the seats again. And then when we look at the rear of the pontoon, we are gonna have their telescoping ladder, a nice little deck back here so you can get off on the dock on either side. This one is currently rigged with a 90, but hey, stop in to McLaughlin's RV Marine here in Fargo. Check it out for yourself.